Morning, guys. Trading Apex Trader funded accounts, scalping Nasdaq future trading, 50 minutes range, and much more trading, scalping, and over and over and over today. So we're trading the best as we can. Nasdaq is gapping up, guys. Yesterday were some earnings, and we're here. Hello, good morning, everyone. Good morning. Trading Apex Trader funding accounts with 8 funded accounts, I believe. Now I lost. I still have to check. How everyone is doing, guys? Mufti the Cat, how are you? How are you, brother? Hope you're doing great. So let's kick it, guys. Let's kick it. So we had some earnings yesterday. One was Microsoft, and the other one was I don't remember which one was the other one. One was Microsoft. So Microsoft earnings yesterday were very positive. It bounced a lot their stock. Good morning, Sir Tarts. Good morning, Abdel. Where we are, we're very high there. I need to check my levels for today. I have a few levels. I have 400 above. I have, what are we right now? 979. I have 948. We open right now. 948 and above almost nothing until the 20,000. I mean, 20,000 is just here. I wanted to say until the 20,082. No, even more. 80,133. And the opening print level, of course. So if we're above these two levels, this is going to be good for longs. And let's see how it goes. How is everyone? Apple, oh my God, look at the Apple pushing, guys. Apple pushing nice. Heat map, I think, is going to be all green almost, apart Tesla and Apple itself. Microsoft still continue pushing there after the earnings. Google pushing, Nvidia not that much. So if we hold the opening print level, I'm going to look for longs. I'm just going to give it a few minutes. Good morning, everyone. Let's kick it. We have a lot of NTR. Hello, Sabria. Hello, everyone. Paraguay shirt today in Colombia. So we're ready to trade and relax. Rule of today, don't take dumb trades like yesterday. Wait until we have a breaker retest. That's one thing. Have the stocks in my direction. That's the second thing. And then take the trade. That's the two things I need. Yesterday, I did not have any of it. I just took a short without anything here. No breaker retest. No, it was not here. This one, no. Where was it? Where was it? I lost it. Where is it? Ah, here. Here, I took a short without anything. No breaker retest, no anything. Here instead, no, I had a break of my level. I tested it, I went long. It came out to be nice. So market is selling off a little bit right now. We have a gap lower, so it can be as well, but I don't like that Microsoft and Apple are still pushing. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, guys. Good morning, everyone. So let's see and wait, guys. There is not much to do. Let me see if my copy trading is working. Free contracts, I think, is enough. Stop loss. If I put a stop loss of $200 and I go long somewhere here, free contract seems quite short. So might I have to go to 2 contracts. Let's see. We're gonna see soon. Good morning, Mohammed. Good morning, everyone. Hope you're doing great, guys. Trading Apex Trader funding account. So if you hear me, guys, speaking about Apex Trader funding accounts, like I repeat this word, it's just for the algorithm. I learned that I have to say keywords as well from when I speak. It's working day. Why are you working, Amsa? It's working day in Europe and the rest of the world, but not in USA. In USA, the Labor Day is on 1st of September, if I'm not mistaken. It's not on May. USA like it, make it different. They like everything different. I'm looking at this long situation, guys. If we are above the opening print level, I might look for longs. Yeah, that's very US, huh? Yes, so US does not like having the same holidays as others. They want to be special. Mufti, news update, very good. 9:45, 9:45 and 10 a.m. So we have both time news. So it's gonna be interesting. I'm looking above the opening print level. Because right now I like the stocks are holding. I just need to see this above the opening print level, a nice push, and I'm gonna look for longs. There is news at 4 p.m. I mean, there are news now everywhere, freaking hell. 4 p.m. I don't see it from here for the market watch. Then tomorrow we have only factory orders and US hourly wage and unemployment rate tomorrow at 8.5. That is gonna be as well a good one. Apple is still holding, guys. Tesla is holding. Microsoft is still holding after the gap up. Still looking for this. If we get a nice candle right now here, pushing, and we close above, I will go long. Only if we do that. Because I don't like to take a short right now because the stocks still look strong. So I'm not looking for a short. Even if right now is making a lower high, lower low. Apple is pushing, Microsoft is pushing. No, I don't like it. 4 p.m. local time. Okay. So the 10 a.m. Here, the 10 a.m. Yes. From France, 10 a.m. Yes, because you start at 3.5 when it's in the afternoon when you start trading. Yes. Don't like the short, guys, until I don't see this market turning down on the stocks, because right now Tesla, right now Nvidia is turning down, but still Apple is pushing. So it's a bit probably choppy situation. Be careful. I like Mufti and the guys giving us news update. How is the situation, guys? We're just waiting right now, huh? Just waiting. We are 1,615 people, guys. And if you've been here in the live stream for a long time, that's insane. Remember how, like, only 10 months ago, 8 months ago, we were like 700 people, 800 people. Now we're more than double. We're growing nicely. And especially what I'm happy is that we're growing with nice people. That's what I care more. In the chat, until now, only nice people came. No stupid people, no people screaming bullshit. Only nice people. That's what I like. Keep a nice environment. That's what I always say. Trading is really hard. Then if you meet stupid people, let's make it even a worse situation. I'm looking, guys, for this possible long. If I go for 200, what will be my, oh, that will be a lot now. No, I think I will go with free contracts anyway. If I go long there. Still, Apple is holding. Microsoft give us a little bit of a pullback right now there, $5 low. What are you waiting, guys? Mufti, Mohammed, Redwan, Sabria, Siddhartha, Abdel, and Redwan are waiting for their 15 minutes range to close. So we're getting a nice push there. Let's see. choppy right now. I agree. Patience right now. I want to see these things to go above the. I'm done for the day. I caught a sell. You caught the sell from the pre-market. Anyway, if you're done with the day, very good job. I'm waiting for the 5 minutes before and after news. That makes sense. Follow your strategy. I like that. 20,000 levels always like this. 20,000, yes, just there above. So right now we're getting some sell. Let's see from the stocks. Still, we have a more green than red overall in the heat map. Google is red, Apple is red, MD is red with Netflix, but Nvidia, Meta, Tesla, Microsoft, and Amazon are green. So we're getting a bit of a bad situation there. I traded yes and after 10 a.m. Okay, that's good. Good discipline there. Look at that. Now we're selling a little bit. I might gonna be waiting for the news at 9:45 right now. Didn't like the short, so. The short is coming. The short is coming, guys. I hope my live stream is okay, guys. Can you tell me if it's okay? Because I see that I'm losing some connection up and down. If you tell me it's not good, I'm gonna try to see if I can do some changes. But right now, I'm connected to the wrong Starlink. No, wait, I'm moving. I'm changing. Yeah, now it's gonna disconnect my Quant Tower. Yeah, I changed to the other Wi-Fi. I was connected to the Starlink. Right now we have 0 dropped frames. Just to be sure, it's gonna reconnect. That's good. Okay, that's good now. Even YouTube is telling me that's fine. Spoke too soon. Yeah, no, it's time. It's time that it's gonna. Okay. Let's see if this sell is starting to make sense. No. I'm waiting for these 50 minutes. Amazon selling off. Nvidia selling off. Microsoft is still holding on that gap up. Does being a psychopath helps with trading? Probably yes. Probably yes. I think if you're a psychopath that starts to see random things around, probably you see something that we don't see. Usually what they say is that the smartest people are bad at trading, and the people that are simple, I don't want to say dumb, but the people that are simple thinking and stuff like that, that don't care that much, are better trader, because they are not emotional that much if they are wrong. But smart people makes them hard to accept that they're wrong. No, don't ask me how I know it. Someone here is psychopath, but he does not want to admit it. Huh? This Apple is still pushing, guys. Tesla is holding. $50 minutes high range here, and 50 minutes range low probably here. I'm gonna put it and then move it if it breaks even lower in 3 minutes. If I see that this 50 minutes is not holding and come back and he wants to use the 50 minutes range as a continuation lower, then yes. If not, not gonna short for the moment. Even if we had a huge gap up, by the way, we had a huge gap up. But that Apple and Microsoft, they don't need to hold anymore. Overthinking is your biggest problem. It's true. I understand, because you start to think and think and think and think and think, and then the trade is gone, and you're like, I should have taken it. And then after 5 minutes, you take the first shitty trades you see, and it's a red trade, and you're like, what the fuck am I doing? I should have been green. And it starts with a spiral of things, and you blow up accounts. Execute the plan, guys. Execute the beauty things, guys. When you follow your strategy and you execute the plan, is that even if you're red and even if you're green, you're happy because you've done your job as a trader. Think about that next time. Execute as you should, and then when you're done on the day, you're like, I'm red. I follow my plans. I've done good. Right? It's really switch. When you start to think this way, trading becomes simpler. Trading becomes not stressful anymore. But when you base yourself on a P&L, oh, I'm red, oh, I'm green. No. Oh, I execute the best as I can. I did what I should have done. I'm red. Peace and love. Look at that. We're bouncing. Man, I'm learning so much about myself in the last year, especially since working with Apex, because Apex is insane good, because it's the first ever company that for me I've ever worked that they really care about your personal growth and mental growth. I learned so much on my mental side since working with Apex. Insane. One red day minus 800, which is not good for the 30%. What should I request a payout or trade to another trade? The 30% unrealized profit, guys, is on the unrealized trade position, not on the P&L of the day. So if during the day you lost $800 on a one position, then it's bad. But if you close the day with $200, $200, $200, $200 multiple loss, then that you're not breaking the rule. Remember this difference. The 30% consistency is different, yes. Your biggest day cannot be over than 30%, no matter what. Bro, I truly respect your grant. Thank you, Spider. Thank you. I shared everything, guys. I shared everything from my start trading was 4.5 years ago. I went to up and down, up and down. I'm still doing up and down, but luckily now I see consistency. I see my path on becoming profitable more and more. I was profitable last year. I'm trying to be much more profitable this year, but changing the strategy, of course, takes time. 15 minutes, the news at 45 was nothing. Yeah. Well, this is not okay, Hamza. Can I talk with you later? I'm Andy, and I'm max loss for the trade is for a trade is 400. Okay. Yeah, you can talk with me later, Andy, and you can tell me exactly what happened during the day, so I can tell you my opinion, and then we'll see it. We'll see. But yeah, we can talk about this later for sure. Morning, we have broken 24 hours high and PDH, but we are a lot of resistance on the dailies. I still like the long here above the opening print level. If I could look for a long, especially because all these stocks trying to short, and none of them really went lower. So that's something. Apple is holding there. Look at that. I started watching you last year. What changed in your strategy? I stopped trading after I lost 10K. I'm back with equity only. Spider, what changed is that I don't use anymore the 50 minutes break strategy. That was very mechanical. And I'm trying to be a little bit more dynamic to try to push my profit much higher. 50-minute strategy works. My brother reached payout. He fucked it up, but that is another thing. But he reached payout using the 50-minute strategy. So I'm trying just to become more profitable, but it's taking time because adapt myself with a new strategy takes time. Yo, what the heck was that flying behind? This market's trying to push right now. We're above. We recorded quite a lot there. I'm looking for a long right now, and I'm liking it. Let's see if it wants to hold the opening print level there, and the stocks are there pushing as well. Clown candles are forming. Right now it seems like that. Nice push. 15 minutes break as well is coming there. 2 seconds, this candle is closing there. We give it time. Still didn't take the long because of the stocks. I'm looking at the stocks, how they respond to right now, to where they are. I'm looking. That's okay, nothing, guys. For the moment, nothing. No longs, but let's see. I'm just looking straight to the stocks. What they want to do. Nothing. Okay, we wait. I just wanted to see this Nasdaq above the opening print level. That will make the daily candle green, but I need to see the stocks a bit more stronger. Okay. Now I'm gonna avoid this probably right now. I'm gonna wait for this 15 minutes range to be above. Don't like it. What is it at? What is it at 9? It's not showing up on my feed. It was nothing. It really did not move anything. It was a final US manufacturing PMI, but did not move anything. Maybe in the Discord. Let's see the Discord of our Discord with the newsfeed of Wiki. He says here actual was 50.02 and forecast was 50.05. Previous 50.07. So lower than the forecast. Slightly lower. 50.02, forecast was 50.05. 55. 52, 55. 50.5. Interesting. We're not holding. We are still inside the 50 minutes range. Nvidia is trying to get to the highs of the day. Oh, look at that. 50 minutes range break right now. Hopefully, guys, you're not getting destroyed by these wicks. Look at this little bit shitty price action there. $20,000 are just above, but yeah. Apple did not move at all from that little move here. Yeah, right now it's telling me that this short. Let's see how is the heat map right now after 20 minutes. Is slightly more red than before. We got a Meta more on the red side, and yeah, we got a little bit more red than before. But let's see. In 7 minutes. I'm gonna wait. I don't like it. I'm gonna wait, guys. If right now the logs does not come, Apple is like waking up, Amazon is rejecting the view up. Yeah, no trades for the moment. Why? Somehow I don't understand why I don't see anymore how many people left the like to the video. I don't understand. Yeah, I just put some keywords there. Trading Nasdaq with Apex Trader funding for the YouTube search. Right now, seems the sell is coming a little bit more than the long. We have 6 minutes. 6 minutes for the news. Is it a big news or a small news? That's mostly as well a question. We have construction spending and manufacturing. Is it a big news, the manufacturing? I have to use the other website. News market. Usually the other website that was very nice. This one, I think, Reuters. No, I need calendar. Calendar. There was one that was very nice because it was showing me yellow, green, and red. We're signing off. Financial Jewel. Let's see. Let me copy paste that one. No, let me just open it. Very good things that you send a link. No, I don't want to sign up. Oh, here you got all the news. Okay. And at 10 a.m. yellow news. Okay. Implementing this. I like this website. Thank you. Thank you, Mufti. We're getting some sell. Amazon's getting to the lows. And Microsoft, let's see if it does not hold that gap up and wants to give back some of the push that it had yesterday night. Economic day give you red green. What do you mean with that? It is market as red, so it must be significant. Silence before the storm. Yeah, right now it's silent before the storm because really we are still inside the 50 minutes, first 50 minutes candle. This is the range, and we still didn't do anything. And we have 4 minutes. I'm not going to take any more trade until the news. If it's like up to 10 minutes, something like that, then I would still take the trade. But yeah, we're too close. We're too close. Let's see how it goes. Outside these 50 minutes range is where I'm going to take the break. Sorry, not the break, the trade. I'm sorry for the people that took the 50 minutes range break higher there. That's annoying. That's a fake out. That's a losing trade most probably. Oh. By the way, it still amazes me. The first period with Trump with the tariff, we were moving 10% on a day, on 10 minutes on the Nasdaq. Insanity. Still, when I think about that, it's insanity. La 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 la. Welcome everybody. 2 minutes. Yes, 2 minutes. Let's wait just 2 minutes, and we might take a short and or a long. Bro, even equity felt like option trading. Tariffs were yeah, man. I'm sure because your stock was moving like 10% like nothing. And Anthony, with a small size, you're making nice money. And imagine the people that, I mean, the options usually follows the volatility wise. So usually they get very expensive when there is a lot of volatility. So I think, but still, with option, you were making big money or losing big money. Investors, mad, yeah, for 100%. Traders, yes. If you were trading and even trading one micro contract made me $500, it's 250 points like nothing. Look at, happy I didn't take this long, very happy. The stocks were not showing me strength. I was thinking to get for a long, but that's very good. Right now we're gonna wait for 52 seconds. The timer here, you can see it. I don't know if I can increase it for you guys. Maybe I can. No, this is different. Oh, we're getting some increase there, guys. We're getting some insanity. Hop la la. It's time, guys. It's time. 26 seconds. Again, a fake break there. Be careful, everyone that is it's taking these 50 minutes. The news is there. 15 seconds. Short. Man, you're really anticipating it because of this? 1 second. Oh my God. Okay. Quant hour blocked. I lost some data there with right now with the data with the quant hour lagging. Wow, guys, stuff are lagging right now to me. So I'm gonna try to be careful. Patience is key here. Look at that. I lost some data. How is the news? Actually 6908, 699.8, forecast was 73. So much lower, 4 points lower. That, wow, my PC is going crazy, guys. Until I'm not, I have to see what it wants to do inside this range, guys. I'm just waiting for a little bit because we already moved a lot and up and down here. We might take a short. I'm liking the short right now. The stocks are waking up. Weaken. Let's see if we close below the 50 minutes. I need this close to be. Still, can we close below the 15 minutes or at least trying to break properly? Still holding. That's shit. Microsoft is selling a little bit more. Are we below the opening start? Yes, we're below in Microsoft. I'm looking for more shorts, guys. Market looks more, the stocks look more on a sell side than on a buying side. But I'm waiting. Interesting situation. Did someone took trades, guys? Because this thing is going insane. Apple still selling off. Microsoft trying to sell off a little bit more. Tesla on a weak side, making lower high, lower low. Yeah, long Mohammed, long Mokhtar is yeah, some same, but we need okay. Noisy trade here. Need some stocks to set up on the next hour or so. Nick is waiting for an hour. Mohammed Long, good luck. Good luck with everyone that is in a trade. Some of you will be right, some of you will be wrong. It does not matter. You follow your rules, you follow your strategy, and you keep going, guys. Your strategy is good if you keep repeating the same things over and over and over and over again. The trade you're taking right now is a singular trade that means nothing. On the longer statistic means a little bit. So don't get if you follow your rules right now, you're good. That's choppiness, guys. That's some shit choppiness. Still inside the 50 minutes range. Oh my god. Some sell is coming a little bit more from the stocks. But I need to be below the 50 minutes range to take a short. I need this candle to be properly closed below, and I'm gonna look for shorts. If not, I'm not gonna look for shorts here, like I did yesterday. It's so trappy, yeah. Right now, so trappy. I'm waiting for this candle to close here. Close somewhere lower, be strong enough, then I will look for a short. If not, I won't do anything inside this range. Inside here. Inside here, I won't do anything. Then I might look for longs if we start to go back above. And I see the stocks holding properly. Like right now, it's happening. Amazon, nice push there. Okay. Is this gonna be the bounce and the cruise? Yesterday it happened the same things. We sold off a little at the beginning, and then we went higher. We sold off at the beginning, and then boom, we start to push higher and higher. So who knows that we're gonna right now. What I am? Oh my god, what I am? Lost myself. Sun is kicking me right now. I'm getting some vitamin D. Yeah, I'm not taking right now. I'm gonna look more. I need only one trade. I don't need much trades today because today there was no other trade to take in this shittiness. We are still inside the 50 minutes. What the heck? That's what I'm trying to, guys. Just be patient, trade what you have to trade. And that's all, guys. Okay, right now we're rejecting, but then what do we have data there? 46.5, previous 0.5. Okay, construction spending monthly minus 0.5. The new order is 47. Okay. Apple still, guys, very weak. With this can start to be a nice short, guys. So right now I'm starting liking it more for shorts. I just need to see my possible stop loss will be here. Take profit. So it's a bit aggressive, but this short starts to look good for me. I'm trying to decide and see how these stocks are moving. They're more on the short side. Look at that Apple. Nvidia, Google broke the lows. Short is coming there. I need a break of this 50 minutes range. Muhammad close the position. Who knows? Maybe it's gonna be a day with no trades. It's gonna be like the first time after a long time. Usually I'm not that good of not taking no trades. Oh. How is the heat map? Did it get more red? Yes, I think so. Yeah, more red right now, the heat map. If you're that's good. I mean, sideways, you know, you protect. You're good when the market is sideways. You protect yourself when the market is one direction. That's good. I mean, if you also make breakouts on the when the market goes in one direction, you're good. Okay, guys, we are definitely coming lower. Amazon is selling off there. I would like to see these things closing lower and give us a nice push. Seems it's happening. I will be ready to short soon. Can we break lower? Amazon is selling off, Google is selling off, Microsoft is selling off. Okay. A lot of support there. Microsoft, can you please just break and sell off? Thank you, Mohammed. Let's see. I'm just still waiting on these things to freaking break lower. It's coming right now. Not yet. Faking it out. $50 minutes range is there kicking. Kicking it. Look at that. Oh. If this candle close red there, I will short it. Close red somewhere here will be nicely. Nine seconds, still holding. The gap up yesterday remove us all this nice price action. Okay, again. Yeah, free contracts is good. I didn't take any trades today. I did log off my Rithmic. I'm sorry, guys. I did not notice. I did not notice my Rithmic was. Since before I lost connection, I changed Wi-Fi. Yeah, no, sorry, this was my mistake. Sorry, guys. Not my intention. Never hide anything. What is it? What is it? And that's not. What the heck? What the fuck? Why it does not show me the dashboard right now? Okay, I'm gonna close it, gonna open it. Okay. Bounce there. What the fuck? Why my... Oh, now yes, finally. So we're getting the push there. Look at these guys. It's bullshit. It's bullshit. I might call it. No trades at all. What have been saying? Will be my first time after a long time. No trades at all. Choppiness. I managed to avoid myself this choppiness. The only thing that was coming to me was this short here. In all this short here. Because the market, the stocks were still selling off. But now they're bouncing. Yeah, guys, no trades today. Somehow insane, but true. Not something I usually do, but I will take it like as a good saving. Usually I take always at least one trade, but not today. Yeah, we're getting definitely more buying back on the stocks as well. Let's see if it breaks this level 944 and come back and retest it. Can be a nice long up to today's the opening print level. For contracts. Then not that much today, guys. I'm like, yeah, let's save the balance. Right now, I'm just looking at this possible long here, and come back to retest the opening print level. But I need to see this break above and retest this 944. Now let's see. Still rejecting it. But I don't like the shorts. Here the short I liked it more. Here I liked more the short than here. Here we had the stocks were in a position of selling off a little bit more. Here no. Yeah, not trading is good. Right now I'm looking for this long, yeah. So, I might look at this breaking above. Looking at that. Let me see if it comes back here. It gives me a nice entry. I'm long, guys. Long. Should have gone for a bit more contracts there, but let's see. Looking for this long. I like how the stocks pushed until now. Let's see if they want to continue higher. I'm gonna probably increase one contract. I'm gonna increase one contract, guys, just to have my stop loss here and my take profit closer to the opening print level. I like it, huh? If it does not, peace and love. But I like the situation. We'll give it a little bit of time. If it stops us, we're out for today. No more trades. Probably it's gonna stop us. Let's see. Still giving us hope. Still giving us hope there, guys. Apple is holding. We needed Amazon to give us a nice push right now. Apple is taking us, is saving us right now. Come on. Amazon, give us as well that little push. Google as well. Come on. We need this nice candle, really nicely strong candle. That's what we need right now, a nice strong candle. Okay, thanks NVIDIA, thanks Tesla, thanks Apple. Give us some hope. Still giving us hope there. Okay, come on, come on. Get it us, give us this trade, the opening print level. Continue pushing, continue pushing. Amazon, what are you doing there? And Microsoft as well. Give us a little push. Okay. Continue pushing, Apple. Continue pushing. Continue pushing, Apple, please. Please, Apple, please. Google, that's nice as well. That's nice, Google. Google. Amazon finally seeing some green back. That's nice. Give us back to the opening print level. Bring us back to the opening print level. Come on. Come on. Okay, I'm not gonna risk anymore the full. This low is fine. That sucks, but we wait. I still like the situation right now. If I don't see that I don't like it anymore, I'm gonna cut it out. For the moment, still looks, oh, like, okay, some strange moves there. Still holding on us. Okay, that's a nice little retest. Good. We're out. One trade, we're done, guys. Was perfect. This was good. Handled it well. I added because I was like, I'm not gonna go over the opening print level. Freaking goal, guys. That's what we want. Today, I give myself a 10 out of 10 for trading. No, really 10 out of 10. Patience all day, and I waited for the good setup I was looking for. I could have definitely have a better entry, but good stop loss. Give it the room it wants. Guys, amazing. I'm gonna call it. I'm gonna have some breakfast. And guys, I love you all. See you tomorrow for Friday. And right now there's no 80% anymore, guys. There's a 50% with Apex, but $130 is still the lifetime fee. Nice patience, guys. Love you all. Very good job.